Do you have any cat?
Cat? No one. So, do you teach English for 9 letters? No. What class do you teach?
7.
7. Okay. Did you graduate from an English education?
Okay, we ask you. Stand a chance.
So could you please report two similarities and two differences with
The difference is, I have many cats, but Mr. Dwi doesn't have.
okay.
And similarities. Actually,
one more difference.
one more difference is, I think we both different. Do you like sports? No.
No.
Fitri like sports, but we
He likes traveling, not sports. Okay, that's differences.
differences.
I have similarities with Ibu
Pak Dwi.
Hastia.
With Pak Dwi.
With Pak Dwi, similarities, I think we are teaching for about more than 10 years.
Okay, teaching English ya.
One, only one.
Only one.
Only one similarity.
Only one.
Two different things with Ibu Fitri, and also we do have two similarities. So both of us teach English for 9 graders, and both of us graduated from English education department.
Okay.
But Miss Fitri likes cats, and I don't. And she plays a lot of sports, and I don't. That's all.
Every day when I come to my class, I'm always teach them to make a minimum. They must explain five sentences from 6 vocabulary and then next week they can make a presentation. They can make a new word and then something like that. When I did instructions like prepare class, sometimes some of the expressions that they in the application, they don't know. Sometimes it is word from them. familiar for them, so I try to speak using that. But I change the sentence using other that really understand. Oh, it means that they think that it's mean like that. So I repeat again. Count up by two. So they try to follow. It is my Chinese. Not all of the expression in the application they know of course. Then I should change the sentence using the familiar expression that for them.
I will read the first phrase. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. In this lesson, we will learn adjectives.
We are going.
In this lesson.
Please read first. Yeah, and then why does this say at the end? Look at these examples of prepositions. Look at these examples on the board.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Asking for student examples.
Can you give another word for fruits?
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Possible.
Reviewing from the previous class. Mr. Shahriar.
Okay.
Oh, take too long. Take too long. This is
We haven't finished.
Okay, the other question.
challenge.
Anyone can tell us what we did yesterday?
Okay, right.
Please give us the praise of giving activity session.
Instruction. Circle the correct word.
Okay, that's correct.
Okay.
In judging students in a topic.
Okay. Did you ever go to a farm?
Okay,
Okay. Good. Okay. Sequencing lessons.
In this lesson, you are going to learn how to ask someone identities.
Okay. That's correct.
You want students to name different jobs. You say
Different jobs.
different jobs.
Can you give me another example of an occupation.
You want students to find out.
Thank you. All right.
Put it in your
Oh,
pocket.
wait.
You want students to describe what they do in the morning.
What they do this morning.
Student says, can you give me an example?
Example different job.
Student says, can you give me an example?
Sorry, in front of the class.
You say,
Yes, of course. I will show you.
It will be fun for the students because they have a challenge to do the exercise and they will give example with their memories to be recalled to answer all the questions. It's very good. And we can use this as a game also as a quiz for the students.
This is Christian. That's
At the first, we a little bit confused what should we do. And then here we are digging our prior knowledge about our ability of giving a phrase of leading the class, especially which is appropriate sentence that can be accepted by the student thought. For example, like this. Can you read this the first paragraph? We make it easier rather than we say, can you read the text please? So we make another version.
In my opinion,
Look at it.
this is very competitive in our group. So, I mean, this is not a competition, but in this group very competitive. So, between our brain and also what we talk, as always, what after this, and but I think many of sentences are not really similar or really same with the ELT teacher reference book, but we use what we always use in our class, and also we make new sentence. I think
based on your own experience.
yes, on our experience, and I think it's really
Creative, yeah, interactive.
He's our teacher, we can't stop. Grammar, vocab, growing fast. English skills built to last. Every lesson, day by day. Fun and games along the way. Learning words.